Good morning and welcome to my class. I'm Ms. Vandana Gupta, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to solve the problems on present value of annuity. Some 2-3 problems we have solved in the last lectures. Let us solve some more problems today. So what is the meaning of present value? See, if the annuity amount is C for n number of time periods, then to find out the present value of each of these annuities, installments C, the method is what? You find out the present value of this C, second installment, third, and so on, the last installment, and then add them all. The formula for the present value is A divided by 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. So for this C, it will be, A will be C. So C divided by 1 plus R upon 100. R upon 100 means I. So it is actually raised to power n. So C divided by 1 plus I raised to power n. So if you are calculating for this, n will be 1. If you are calculating for this installment, n will be 2. For the last one, it will be C divided by 1 plus I raised to n. And when you add all these present values, then you will arrive at the present value of these all installments, annuity. Okay. So this is what you are going to get. So this is the formula for finding the present value. P equal to C into 1 minus 1 plus I raised to power minus n divided by I. Now you see here, you are getting the power negative here. So you have to convert this negative power into positive. Okay. So what is the formula to convert? X to the power minus n is 1 divided by x to the power n. So 1 plus I raised to power minus n will become 1 divided by 1 plus I raised to power n, positive power. You have converted the negative power into positive by bringing this term in the denominator, from numerator to denominator. To ease our calculation, we put V equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I. So the same formula can now be written as P equal to C into 1 minus V to the power n divided by I, where what is V? 1 divided by 1 plus I. So for all our practical purpose, we are going to use this formula so that you need not have to convert the negative power into positive. We can take V as 1 upon 1 plus I and take its nth power. So this problem we have solved in the last class. Find the present value of immediate annuity of rupees 20,000 for 3 years at 14% per annum compounded annually. So this we have already done in the last class. I've shared the PPT also with you. So this also, what is the present worth of annuity? And then the third one, where a person has taken a loan of 10 lakhs rupees and he is repaying the loan by 4 equal installments at the payable at the end of each year. So you have to find out the value of C. Installment amount means C. So these 3 problems we have done. Let us start with the next. This is the homework problems. It is given in the PPT. So you can do these problems. If you are not getting, then we can discuss it in the tutorial. So let us start with the today's problem. Okay, let us see the 4th question. Read the question. A machine costing rupees 58,000 is bought for rupees 10,000 down payment and the balance in 3 equal installments at the end of each year for the next 3 years with compound interest at 15% per annum. Find the amount of each installment. Okay, so here, see, nowadays many shops, they give the installment scheme. If you purchase an item which is too expensive, like TV, fridge, or home theater, or something like that, or computer, laptops, so the shopkeepers, they give you the installment scheme. Okay, this problem is also something like that only. What is given to you here? The cost of the machine. It's how much? Is 58,000. Machine costing rupees 58,000 is bought for rupees 10,000 down payment. So the down payment is how much? is 10,000. The total cost of the machine is 58,000 and the down payment is 10,000. And the balance in 3 equal installments. How this machine is bought? By paying 10,000 rupees down payment. Down payment means then and there you have to pay in cash. That is called down payment. And the balance, how he is paying the balance? In 3 equal installments at the end of each year for the next 3 years. So what is the balance amount? Balance amount is how much? 58,000 was the cost and down payment is 10,000. So 58,000 minus 10,000. What is the balance amount? Balance amount is 48,000. So this 48,000 is paid how? In 3 equal installments. See this 48,000, that is the present value. It is paid in 3 equal installments at the end of first year, second year and third year. And third year. This is the 0th year. This 48,000 is the present value. This he is not paying now, he is paying in the installment. And the balance in 3 equal installment at the end of each year for the next 3 years with compound interest at 15% per annum. Find the amount of each installment. What will be the installment amount? So you have to find out the value of C. Okay. So first of all, try to understand the question. Write down what is given to you and what is asked to you. So here, the machine costing rupees 58,000 was how it was purchased by paying down payment of 10,000 rupees and the balance amount 48,000 is not paid now. It is paid in the installment with rate of interest as 15%. In 3 installments, you have to find out the amount of this installment. See, many students, they make the mistake. They divide this 48,000 by 3. And they say that each installment amount is 16,000, which is wrong. Okay? Because you cannot simply divide it by 3. You have to see that the interest is also there, 15%. So this is the present value and you are paying it in the installments. So you have to find the installment amount by using the formula of the present value. Okay. So we will write down the formula for the present value. What is your R here? R is 15%. R is 15% per annum. Okay. Now let us write down the formula. What is your formula for present value? Formula is P equal to C into 1 minus V to the power N divided by I. Where what is your I? I is R upon 100. What was your R? R is 15. So 15 upon 100, that means 0.15. Okay. What will be 1 plus I? It is 1 plus 0.15. That means 1.15. Okay. We also need V. What is V? It is 1 divided by 1 plus I. That is 1 divided by 1.15. So V is equal to, find out what is 1 divided by 1.15. So it is 1 divided by 1.15, that is equal to 0.86956, 52152,174. This is your value of V, 0.8695652,174. You have to write down all the digits after decimal place. What is the value of P? P is 48,000, correct? P is 48,000. So you put the value of P as 48,000 here. 48,000. C you have to find out. C you have to calculate. Amount of each installment. 1 minus it is 1 minus v to the power n. V is 0.86956 52174. 52174. This raised to power 3. Okay. Divided by I, which is 0.15. So in the very first place, we have put all the values in the formula, whatever is given to us. Okay. Now see, this is already on the screen of your calculator. So take its power 3 so that you need not have to type this again and again. So 1 minus this raised to power 3 will give you 0.6575 162325. 162325. This is the value of raised to this number raised to power 3. 0.6575 162325 and divided by 0.15. And the left hand side is 48,000. Okay. Now here there is no denominator, so it is 1. So to find out the value of C, first of all, get rid of this denominator. So do the cross multiplication. So what we will get, this whole number, this whole thing multiplied by 1 will give you the same number back. So C1 minus 0.6575 162325 is equal to 48,000 into 0.15. Okay, so you can find out this. 1 minus this number will give you. So when you subtract this number from 1, you will get 0.3424837675. Okay, so 1 minus this gives you this much. And what is 48,000 into 0.15? 48,000 into 0.15 gives you 7,200. So right hand side gives you this and left hand side is C into this. Now you have to find out the value of C. So what will you do with this number? You have to shift this number here, so it will divide. So C is equal to 7,200 divided by 0.3424837675. To find out the value of C, this whole number has to be shifted to the other side. So there is a multiplication between these two numbers. So when you shift here, it will divide. So 7,200 divided by 0.324342. 3424 837 675. That gives you 21,022.89. That means the amount of each installment comes out to be 21,022.89. Look at here. So if 48,000 is not paid today and paid in the installment, each time how much amount should be paid? 21,022.89. This will be the amount of each installment. So you cannot just simply divide by 48,000 by 3. That will be the wrong. So 21,022.89. 3 times you are paying this if you are not paying 48,000 presently. Okay, you can see here if you are paying 21,000 22.89 3 times, actually how much you are paying is 63. If you multiply this by 3, you are paying 63,000. See, you are getting 21,000 22.89. 3 times you are paying. So actually you are paying much more the amount. See, it is 63,068.67. Whereas if you pay today itself, it will be 48,000. So if you are not paying the balance amount today and paying in the installment, you end up in paying more amount because of the interest rate of 15%. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So once again, I repeat it. In this question, you are given the cost of the machine is 58,000 and the down payment is 10,000. Down payment means at the time of purchase, it is paid in cash. The balance amount, which is 48,000, is paid in the installment, 3 installment, and you have to find out the value of that installment. The rate of interest is 15%. So you put everything in the formula and solve this equation for C. So to get rid of I, that is 0.15 denominator, you have to do the cross multiplication. Okay. Then simplify this for C. Let us move to the next problem. Look at here. A TV set is purchased for rupees 25,000 down payment. Here it is already given. Here it is given that the down payment is 25,000 and 4 equal installments of 20,000. Here you are given the installments. In the previous problem, installment was not given to you. You were asked to calculate. Here it is already given that 25,000 is the down payment and 4 equal installment of 20,000 at the end of each year for the next 4 years. If the compound interest charge is 12% per annum, find the present cash price of the TV set. So this problem is exactly the opposite of the previous problem. Let us write down what are the things given to you. Okay. Look at here. A TV set is purchased for rupees 25,000 down payment. So the down payment is 25,000. So the 25,000 is the down payment and 4 equal installments. Look at here. 4 equal installments. So 4 equal installment of rupees 20,000 at the end of each year for the next 4 years. So the installment amount is 20,000. This is given to you. In the previous problem, we have calculated the installment amount. Here you are given that C is 20,000. Okay. Find the present cash price of the TV set. So how will you do that? You have to find out what is the present worth of these installments. Find out that. So that amount which you will get here, the present value of 20,000, annuity of 20,000 rupees, that present value is the balance amount which he is not paying today. He is paying in the installment. So that present value, I mean the balance amount, has to be added to the down payment to get the present cash price of the TV set. Okay, so what you have to do in this problem, you have to find out the present cash price of the TV. What is the price of the TV? So how will you get that? By adding the down payment with the present value of these installments. Okay, so we will calculate here the present value of the installment. So we will calculate this is the installment amount. This is the value of C. Okay, we will find out the present value. We'll first find out the present value. So this present value will give you the present value of these installments. That present value you add to the down payment to get the cash price of the TV. Okay. So what we will do here, we will first find the present value of annuity of rupees 20,000, which he is paying every year for 4 years. And then add it to down payment. Add it to down payment to get the cash price of the TV. This problem is exactly opposite to the previous problem. Okay. So we'll first find the present value of annuity of rupees 20,000, and then that present value, whatever we will get, will add to the down payment. So get the cash price of the TV. So let us find out the present value of annuity of rupees 20,000. So what is the formula for present value? P is equal to C into 1 minus V to the power n divided by I. Where what is V? V is 1 divided by 1 plus I. So it is, you can do here, 1 divided by, what is 1 plus I? See here, R is 12%, correct? R is 12. So what is I? R upon 100. That is 0.12. So what is 1 plus I? It is 1.12. So V is 1 divided by 1.12. Now put here everything. C is how much? 20,000. No, he is paying the installment of 20,000. For how long? For 4 years. So 20,000, 1 minus V is 1 divided by 1.12. So that comes out to be 0.8928429. 429. So this is the value of 0.8928571,429. So 1 minus 0.8928571,429. This raised to power, he is paying in how many installments? 4 installments. So n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 divided by I. I is 0.12. Now, this number is already on your screen. So to take its power 4, multiply after this number, press multiplication and then equal sign 3 times. If you are using the non-programmable calculator. So it is 20,000 into 1 minus this raised to power 4 comes out to be 0.6355180,785 divided by 0.12. When you subtract 1, you will get 0, it is 20,000 into 0.36448 19215 divided by 0.12. Okay, now you have to simplify this. So you are getting 60,746.99. So this is the present value of 20,000 paid 4 times. Okay. So 4 times you pay actually 80,000, but its present value is how much? 60,746. So what will be the present cash price of the TV? This present value you add to the down payment, that is 25,000. So what is the present cash price of the TV? I can write here. continue here. Therefore, present cash price of the TV is equal to 60,746.99. This you have to add in the down payment. Down payment was how much? 25,000. So add this to 25,000. That is the down payment. So how much you will get? 85,746.99. Okay. So this is the cash price of the TV. $85,746.9. So how did we solve this problem? See here in this problem, I just repeat quickly. A TV set is purchased for rupees 25,000 down payment. So you are given the down payment as 25,000 and 4 equal installments of 20,000. So C is given to you as 20,000, which is paid for 4 years at the end of every year. So N is 4, C is 20,000. And the rate of interest is 12%. Find the present cash price of the TV. So what you will do, you will find out the present value of each of these installments. That is by using our formula of present value of annuity. And with that, that present value, you add to the down payment. So you know our formula for present value, P is C into 1 minus V raised to N upon I. P is 20,000. C is 20,000. P you have to calculate. Okay, 1 minus V is 1 upon 1 plus I. 1 plus I is 1.12. Okay, R is 12. So that comes out to be this much. Put all the values, simplify, and you will get the present value. When you get the present value, add it to the down payment. You will get the cash price of the TV. Okay. So I hope you have understood this problem. So this problem and the previous problem, they were exactly opposite to each other. Let us take the next problem. A loan is repaid fully with interest in 4 equal yearly installments of rupees 20,000 at 7% per annum compounded annually. Find the present value of the loan. Look at here in this problem what is given to you. A loan is repaid fully with interest in 4 equal yearly installment of rupees 20,000. That means what? The loan is repaid by 4 equal yearly installment, which the installments are paid yearly. So this is the first year, ends year, second year, third year, and fourth year. What are the equal yearly installment? It is 20,000. Means every time the installment amount is 20,000. So you are given the value of C. C is given to you as 20,000. Okay. A loan is repaid fully with interest. In you know that when you take loan, you have to pay the interest. Okay, within 4 equal installments of rupees 20,000. N is 4. 4 is equal installments. So N is 4. And what is the rate of interest? R is 7%. 7% per annum. You have to find out what is the present value of the loan. How much loan he has taken. Okay. So you have to find out the loan amount. Loan amount means the present value. So we have to find the present value. We have to find the present value. So you should be able to understand what is given to you and what is asked. Always remember that you have to find the present. Loan amount is always the present value. Loan is always the present value.
गेम खेल रहा है ये सब शॉट देख रहा देखिए दादा अभी छोड़ने
Loan is always the present value. So you have to find out the present value of the loan, how much loan he has taken when he is paying the installment of 20,000. So again, apply the formula. What is the present value formula? Formula for present value is P equal to C into 1 minus V to the power n divided by I. Okay, where what is V? 1 divided by 1 plus I. Means 1 divided by what is 1 plus I? I is R is 7. Okay, R is 7. So what will be I? 7 upon 100. That means 0.07. What is 1 plus I? It will be 1.07. So put here V is 1 divided by 1.07. 1 plus I is 1.07. Okay. So 1.07. Put all the values. The loan installment is 20,000. Correct. 1 minus V is 1 divided by 1.07. Find out the value of 1 divided by 1.07. So 1 divided by 1.07 is equal to, this comes out to be, V is 0.934579 393. This is the value of V, 0.9345794,393. This raised to power 4. In 4 installment, he is paying the loan, repaying the loan. I is 0.07. Okay. Correct, no? N is 4. N is 4, correct. Now what you have to do is, this number is already on the screen of your calculator. So you have to take its power 4. So multiply and put 3 times, press 3 times equal sign. So that gives you 20,000 into 20,000 into, in the bracket, 1 minus this raised to power 4 gives you 0.76288952122. Okay, divided by 0.07. See what we did. First of all, we have calculated 1 divided by 1.07. Correct? 1 divided by 1.07. Okay, this number you get. You want its power 4. So this is already on your screen. Okay, so to find out its fourth power, what you have to do? Press multiplication and 3 times equal sign. Okay, that will give you its power 4. So that comes out to be 0.76289522122. Now you have to subtract this number from 1. Okay, to avoid typing this big number again and again. This is already on the screen. So you can subtract 1 from here. So minus 1 you can do. You will get the minus sign. You just neglect the minus sign. So that comes out to be 20,000 into 0.2371047878 divided by 0.07. Okay, multiply this by 20,000, this number multiply by 20,000 and divide by 0.07. That gives you 67,744.23. 67,744.23. So that means how much loan he has taken? He has taken loan of 67,744 rupees and 23 paise. This much amount of loan he has taken. What is the present value? So 24 times he's paying. So actually he's paying actually 80,000, but the loan amount, how much he has taken? It was only 67,744.23. So this is the loan amount. Therefore, loan amount is rupees 67,744.23. So you can see the difference. If you take the loan with the interest, how much you have to pay? Interest rate was 7% per annum. So because of that, the installment amount is 20,000. The 80,000 he is actually paying, but actually the loan was only 67,744. Okay. So I hope you have understood. So today we have taken three types of problems. Three problems we have solved today. In fourth problem, we have given the cost of the machine, down payment, and we have calculated the installment amount. In the fifth problem, you were given the installment and the down payment, and you have calculated the cash price. This is exactly the approach. And in the sixth problem, the loan amount was given, and we have calculated the amount of loan. The installment was given, the value of C was given, and we have calculated the amount of loan. Always remember, loan is always the present value. Okay, remember that, because loan we take today. Today means present. Okay. Thank you.